Hayibo nina vukani, Vuyokazi is engaged, you guys. Hayibo, nilibele ukulala laphayana. You guys are busy sleeping warm in the blankets. That time uVuyokazi got engaged today. Hayibo, guys, watch this video and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary. Hi, book guys. I'm on Instagram. I'm looking at Vuyokazi's stories. I'm like, oh, cute, happy birthday. Then I see one picture that is on her feed that is from the show itself, Izingane Zestembu, saying, happy birthday, our queen. And then I decide to read comments. And then this girl's like, happy birthday, Manliweni. And congratulations to your engagement. Halala, you deserve it. To more joy and happiness, my sweetheart. Ngati engagement way. Yeah? I went down the comments and this girl's like, guys, go back and watch the video. And I did that, guys. I did that. Ngati, yay. Ngati, go back. Ngati, rewatch the video. Ngati, I don't say, Ngati, rewatch it. I watched that video about 3 times till I saw it, you guys. Let me put it back on the screen again, guys. Look at, she gets a delivery. The first balloon actually says, happy birthday. The second balloon, you guys, you can't see it properly. That's why you'll have to pause and look at it properly. It says, will you marry me? And then it's got 2 rings, a sign of 2 rings that are intertwined with one another. Let me put it back on the screen, guys, and look at it properly. Please, don't look at it while you're in a hurry. Look at it properly. The second balloon. Guys, did y'all see that? Tell me that if you saw that. If you did not see that, go to her stories. Maybe if you cannot see it well here on YouTube on the video that I put, go to her stories on Instagram and pause while, like, put your finger on the screen. You're gonna see. I think they intentionally did it. They didn't want to show it that well. But even someone in the comment section was actually saying they follow the chef. And I checked, you guys, and I'm like, Vuyokazi, Hebo I checked. I tried to check the guy, and the guy's account is private. And of course, like, what's the point of trying to follow him? So late, man. But someone said they follow the chef, and the chef actually posted that she said yes. I'm like, guys, is this not the same chef that people came out and Vuyokazi actually put out a statement? Batum. Even the letter, guys, the letter, she received roses. And the letter, you guys, let me show you. Just look, okay, I'm sure it's somewhere on the screen. The letter that comes with the roses, there's a surname, I think it's Manguni there, you guys. And firstly, when I saw it, I was just like, maybe it's Talazelo's Saike, Saike or something like that. And then I'm like, hi, man. Ushuguti, this guy is calling her Ngestalazelo or by his surname, and she blocked, like she covered the thing, the way the notes is actually coming from. But if you actually do read the notes, maybe I must do a different video on that, you guys. But if you actually do read the notes is actually saying the love of my life. Hey, boy, guys, where is Mpumelelo right now? I'm sure he's having heart palpitations, whatever it's called, you guys. Hey, boy, I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. Hey, guys, let's leave it. Let's park it here. Send your congratulations, guys. Congratulations, Vuyokazi. Listen, one man's trash is another man's treasure. As they say, congratulations, Vuyokazi. We are so happy for you, mommy. And yeah, guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge.